Hi, it's Judith Richard, the broker owner of Perfect Choice Properties here in Concord, New Hampshire. And my guest today is Scott Plaut, one of the owners of Gate City Development Partners, LLC. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me again, Judy. I really appreciate it.
Well, today's a little different. We all have our funny stories of what's happened to us in business. Anything out there you'd like to share with our audience?
Well, sure. I'd like to tell you about the time that we were getting a delivery of a modular home. And the first half of that home, and it comes in two pieces, got delivered to the job site, backed up onto the lot, no problem. On the second half of that, I guess the driver was not really paying attention, even though he had a lead, he was supposed to have a lead car. And they were attempting to deliver the second half, and they snagged a telephone and communications line off of a pole and ripped about 25% of the roof off. And we're just standing there mortified because, when something like that happens, it happens in slow motion and you don't know what to think.
I mean, it's not funny, but it's absolutely
Oh,
funny.
yeah, sure, absolutely. Hey, look, it would definitely make a great blooper film roll, I would say that. So what happened was, look, we set the house with the damaged roof, and the manufacturer had a crew come in, and they fixed any damage that was done during delivery, and everything was as good as new. The house came out terrific.
And how long did it take from the time that, the roof got damaged to when the crew got there?
Believe it or not, the repairs were done in less than 48 hours.
Wow.
And that's why we like to stick with the same manufacturer of
Right.
modular homes.
So your horror story really turned into something fabulous in the end.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, it was nothing more than a minor inconvenience and maybe a little red face for the person that was driving it and delivering it.
Well, red-faced is better than really destroying the whole thing.
Absolutely.
So, a
We
little
agree.
embarrassment is never going to kill you.
Yes.
It's just going to embarrass you.
There you go.
That's funny. I love hearing these stories from the people in our industry, real
Sure.
estate, that we've all had craziness happen to us, but the roof being ripped off is it's going to be set. That's a good one, Scott. I got to
Yes.
tell you, that's
And it was only
great
a
one.
piece of the roof, less than 25%. So,
Well, that's not too bad.
no,
but
that's not too bad at all.
still, there is that initial shock and horror of it.
Absolutely. I was mortified when it happened, but you know what? It got resolved a lot quicker than I had anticipated. In
Well-
fact, it didn't even really cause a delay in the project.
Well, you know what they say, all's well that ends well.
There you go.
All right. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for sharing that story.
And thanks for having me again. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Listen, have a great day, everyone.